Police departments nationwide, and here in Arizona in particular, are almost universally facing significant staffing problems. There are far more people choosing to leave law enforcement than choosing to enter police academies. And these issues won't get any better in the near future. Last week, I posted a video about what one city is doing to make becoming a police officer more financially attractive. And I'm gonna follow up this week with the opposite. I've talked with dozens of ASCOPS members to get feedback regarding multiple Arizona departments. And I've developed a list of 5 things that agencies absolutely should not do if they're trying to recruit and retain police officers. If you can think of more, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm Steve Serbalik, and although I'm a panel attorney for ASCOPS in Arizona, today's video represents my own opinions, not necessarily the opinions of any groups that I represent. Number 5 is this: chiefs' messages that don't address officers' actual concerns. Just like technology enables me to reach subscribers and other interested individuals on YouTube, more and more chiefs are choosing to create video messages to their officers. This is great, except one-way messaging doesn't take the place of actually going to briefings and hearing concerns from impacted employees. Too often I hear that officers think that leadership is out of touch, particularly when departments are requiring more administrative work by officers than ever before, and these chief videos often aren't helping. Number 4 is not interviewing and acting on concerns of officers choosing to leave agencies early, particularly if officers are lateraling to a different agency. Offering voluntary interviews and truly following up with concerns would go a long way in addressing potential problems with departments. But departments often ignore this resource at their own peril. Number 3 is crafting pet projects at the same time core police functions are suffering. If departments are losing officers, it's probably not the time to create new specialty details, particularly if the department is engaging in extreme measures like sending detectives back to patrol. Number 2 is downplaying concerns. There are a number of agencies where leadership, shall I say, fudges the numbers. Officers know about empty seats in their briefings. So when leaders downplay staffing concerns, or even count recruits or officers in field training as if they're fully certified officers, it paints a rosier than accurate picture. The same thing goes for crime stats. There's a disturbing trend of giving what I'll call misleading crime reports, which takes heat from politicians off of the leadership, but again, it's demoralizing to officers on the street. The number 1 bad idea is mandating work that will make a bad situation worse. Police officers have families, and while the vast majority are proud of what they do during the work week, they also have lives outside of being a police officer. Department leaders that force officers to be on standby, work over their shift every day, or, God forbid, work 5 10-hour shifts per week, are telling officers that they don't value their officers' family time, and are a huge reason that officers lateral to agencies without these policies, retire early, or otherwise leave the profession. If you have any questions or comments on methods to retain police officers, or what I discussed in this video, please leave them in the box down below. Like and subscribe to help my channel grow, and be on the lookout for future videos which come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.